Okay, today is November 10th, 2022. About 10 a.m. in the morning right now. And here's my Bryant running. And as you guys know, it's the 2014 two-ton with a Copeland scroll compressor. And it is actually about in the upper 60s right now. Later today, we're supposed to have storms come through the area. Right now it's about mostly cloudy, I think. Yesterday it actually got up to the mid-70s and this thing was running too. It's also pretty humid. And the suction line's sweating because it's pretty humid out. Cold and sweaty, outdoor temperature. Once the storms pass later, the temperature is going to be dropping. Tonight, lows will be in the 20s tonight, and low temperatures last night were only in the 60s, so yeah. This thing's been on and off overnight last night. This will more than likely be the last time it's on for the season, so that's why I'm making a video of it now, before temperatures drop. Highs after today will only be in the 30s for a few weeks, so I might actually start up the heat for the first time too. But yeah, this has a Copeland scroll compressor, and it's got a Zhongshan broad ocean fan motor. I'll go show the furnace really quickly. Okay, here's the furnace running. And then here are the lines which go to the outdoor unit. They go all the way over here to the outdoor unit. So yeah, the thermostat is currently set at 70 degrees, I think. It was, it's about 72 inside right now. So, yeah. When I do the first heat mode start of this, of the furnace, I'm probably going to see if I can remove this, panel, which I believe gives access to the inducer. And then the blower, I'm pretty sure the blower is right behind the bottom panel. And then, and here's the evaporator. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go turn off the unit now. Here's the unit off now. It's a little windy. Wind spinning the blades. And then there's a sweat from the line set. But yeah, there was the unit's final startup and shutdown in cool mode for the season. And maybe tomorrow or the day after, I'll hopefully make a video of the furnace starting up for the first time in heat mode. And in the spring, I'll clean this unit, as I've said before. Looks like it's mainly just this side of the condenser coil that's dirty. The other sides don't really look as dirty. So, yeah. Doesn't look super dirty from inside. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.